Latest in the Mumbai police shootout. Sources tell your channel that Mumbai police is probing three gangs with respect to the attempted shooting of Dawood Ibrahim's brother. We have Megha Prasad joining us live. Megha, can you give us the details about the three groups that the Mumbai police is now probing?
Well, as far as the probe is concerned of the Mumbai police, it is actually going in three different directions, and they are keeping all the options open in terms of trying to find out who really is the culprit behind the last night's attack on Dawood Ibrahim's brother, Iqbal Kaskar. What we are being told is that, the possibilities of at least three gangs behind this could be there, and, the investigators are trying to find out just who would be the one who has masterminded this particular attack. In fact, what we are being told is that the crime branch has got some leads on who could be the handlers of yesterday's incident, and they are hoping that once they are able to arrest and nab these handlers, probably that will take them to the exact gang behind yesterday's incident. But as far as the investigation for the moment is concerned, yes, the cops are keeping their options open in terms of, they are in fact thinking that the possibility of either Chota Rajan gang or the Ravi Pujari gang or the Santosh Shetty gang could be there behind last night's attack, because all three of them seem to have very prominent and, real reasons behind killing or behind trying to get back at the Dawood gang. So right now the probe, not being limited to one particular gang, they are trying to check all the, information that is coming their way. They're trying to verify things, and then probably, once they get any possible lead into which one gang could be behind it, till the time they are keeping everything open and they are trying to investigate, at least as far as these three gangs are concerned, they are trying to investigate properly in all the three angles.